Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be unboxing this 22 varieties of heirloom seeds that I ordered, and further down the video I'll be clearly explaining about the difference between organic, heirloom, GM, that is genetically modified, and hybrid seeds. So let's get unboxing. So let's first cut open this. Well, I ordered 22 varieties of seeds, so let's check them out. And I got two pamphlets in here. Well, one on how to set greenhouse, and another one they are handmade pots and the plants that they sell. I'll show that later. So we got Chedi Muringai, Vendaya Kirai, fenugreek, Sikapu Tandu Kirai, Parupu Kirai, Chedi Karamani, Vendai Okra or lady's finger, Arai Kirai, Pachai Milagai, green chili, Chedi Avarai, Lab and Pachai Pudcha Kirai, Pachai Tandu Kirai. And we got beans, Manatakali, Kattiri brinjal, Sirikirai, Palakirai, Mullangi radish, Kottavarakai, Takali, that's tomato, Agati Kirai, that's Agati, and beetroot, and Sigapu Pudcha Kirai. Well, we got 22 varieties, out of which 11 are vegetables and 11 are greens. Well, let's see if the seeds are chemically treated. So I'm opening lady's finger, this okra. Well, the seeds are not chemically treated, which is a good sign that it's a heirloom seed. Well, to know if your seeds are chemically treated or not, there's two kinds of ways which you can do. Well, one of them being seeing your seeds with naked eyes, that if they are coated with some shiny coating, well, then they are treated. Or you may see a different kind of seed, like the color may be different in red or orange or mostly in yellow color. Well, that means your seeds are treated with fungicide or any kind of seed treatment. Well, there's another way in which you could test your seeds by smelling them. If you find a pungent smell or a smell that's kind of powerful like urea, well, then your seeds are treated chemically. Well, these seeds are not treated chemically, so you may see the color of them. It's quite natural that seeds go black when they are drying. Well, these are open pollinated seeds which I brought from a company called My Chedi, which is located in Salem. So if you want to order from them, I'll leave a link in the description. You could go and check them out. Well, when it comes to purchasing the right kind of seed, choose the variety of seed that grows in your region. So after choosing the right variety of seed, you must know that if your seed is heirloom, organic, GM, which is genetically modified, or hybrid. So what are really heirloom seeds and what are organic seeds? Well, people tend to confuse both of them. Well, heirloom seeds are seeds that are grown generation after generation, and they produce the same plant again and again, and the yield would be same. Well, when it comes to organic seed, an organic seed can be GM, hybrid, or heirloom seed. Well, the only condition being that they are grown organically. Well, you won't get GM seed really easily because they are only available commercially. So now coming to hybrid seeds. Hybrid seeds are cross-pollinated, which have their genes mixed up for a specific character. Well, a tomato may be low yielding and a tomato may be high yielding with high disease resistance. So cross-pollinating both of them will give us high yield and high disease resistance. So these are the characters that we desire. But if you try to plant the seed out of the tomato of a hybrid plant, the next plant or the tomato that you get may be not same as the hybrid that you grown. Well, that's the case of hybrids. So that's why people prefer to grow heirloom seeds. What I'd prefer is to grow heirloom seeds rather than hybrid, because you could collect seeds and grow it generation after generation without any kind of disturbance like hybrid, that characters may change over time. Now coming to GM seeds, which are genetically modified. Well, in GM seeds, only a single character or a specific character is transferred to the next generation. Well, for example, a lot of you may know about Bt croton and Bt brinjal. Well, Bt means Bacillus thuringiensis, which is a kind of bacteria which is used for the gene transfer. Well, what this bacteria does is produce a toxic substance which is harmful to a lot of pests. So what they did was took that specific kind of gene which produces that toxin and insert it into the cotton or the brinjal. Well, the plant starts to produce the toxin and pests may not come to it again. Well, the problem with this is that, for example, the poison substance is harmful to us, and if any kind of edible plants that we consume is made through this technology, and if we consume them, it may be harmful to us. So that's why a lot of countries has banned Bt technology in edible foods. But in other case, non-consumable or non-edible plants which are grown like cotton are commercially grown with Bt technology because for their advantage. Well, if you take the world, more than 80 to 90% of the cotton that you grow right now is from Bt technology. Less than 5 to 10% is only the native and indigenous varieties. Well, most of these varieties are now considered as wild varieties. So if you're gonna buy seeds, if you try to check on Amazon or Flipkart, you may only find hybrid seeds mostly. Well, to source for seeds, look for local nurseries and local gardeners whom they may have heirloom seeds with them. So I hope you understood what different types of seed mean and which seeds you should prefer. Well, I would prefer to grow heirloom seeds. Well, comment down what type of seed would you prefer to grow. So I hope you understood. Thank you.